Solar installation in Denver, Colorado isn't just about cutting energy bills. It's about using 300 plus days of sunshine to create a more efficient, sustainable home. With Colorado's abundant sun and rising utility costs, solar is a smart long-term investment. It can lower monthly bills, increase resale value, and provide benefits beyond going green. When you work with Columbine Roofing and Solar, your system is designed for Colorado's climate. We tailor every project to your roof, your energy use, and your goals. Going solar can help you save real money over time. When your roof makes its own power, you use less from the utility company and feel less of the sting when rates go up. Homes with residential solar panels appeal to eco-conscious buyers. This can help your property stand out and potentially increase its value. Solar power also helps reduce your home's carbon footprint. Columbine Roofing and Solar offers both solar roofing and traditional panels. Solar roofing integrates into your roof for a sleek look, while panels mount on existing roofing. We begin with a consultation and assessment of your roof and the energy usage. Then we design a custom system, handle permitting and approvals, and schedule installation. Licensed installers complete your project with attention to safety, performance, and appearance. Once your system is activated, we show you how to monitor production and savings. You start generating clean energy and building greater energy independence right away. With expertise in both roofing and solar, we design systems that work together. You get long-term roof protection and strong energy savings built for Colorado weather. Ready to explore solar for your city and county of Denver, Colorado home? Contact Columbine Roofing and Solar for a free estimate and customized proposal.